Hallo.
Sie müssten leider einmal Ihre Sachen zusammenpacken und bitte das Gebäude verlassen.
Yeah, wait. What?
You have to go.
Why?
Because the security said so. There are
Okay.
house rules.
On which arguments?
Listen, there are house rules.
No, I'm asking on which arguments?
You are breaking the house rules, so the security.
369 and 011 87.
So,
I'm breaking which rule exactly?
the guys told you already. So we asked you kindly to take your stuff and go outside.
On which basis?
They have the right to send you out.
Yeah, but I need the reason.
They already explained to you.
Yeah, but I need the
You
reason
broke the
now.
house rules. That's
Which?
everything.
Okay, where are the house rules? Can you give me the house rules?
This is none of our business.
Okay, I need the house rules. If I don't have the house rules, then I don't know what are the
They
house.
already told you that you broke them many times. You
I
know what
didn't-
you are doing, so you have to go. That's
The
it.
other day they broke my locker. There is a report on this.
We are here because of this now. So we ask you one more time kindly to go and leave this place.
Give me the reason. You have
Please.
to state the reason. This is mandatory
When
by
the
law.
security
This
says
is
you have to
mandatory
go
by law to
outside, you
state
have
the
to go
reason.
outside.
This is mandatory by law to state the reason.
Please take your stuff and go
This
outside.
is mandatory by law to state the reason
Ich hole uns
why
einfach
I
einen
have
zweiten
to
Wagen
move
und dann
out.
boxen wir den hier
Besser
raus.
als falsch.
Alles gut. West für 5-1.
This is my right to understand exactly why I need to move out.
5-1 hätte gerne einen zweiten Wagen ohne Eile in EU Versahen 88. Der weigert sich hier die Örtlichkeit zu verlassen und ich möchte hier nicht alleine mit ihm kämpfen. Deswegen bitte ein zweiter Wagen.
I'm asking kindly why you want me to go outside while I have broken absolutely no rules. They told me you
Okay.
have too many bags.
Yes.
I take one bag downstairs, right?
Yes.
I take one bag downstairs,
Yes. They
and
already
now
told us.
and now you
It's
tell
okay.
me and now you tell me that because I have too many things in my bag, I need
Okay.
to
So,
go out of the
It's
library.
This is your side of the story. It's okay.
No, this is what they told
And
me.
this is-
You need to state
They
it
have
now.
their side.
You
Okay.
need to state it
We-
now.
We just try to get you out of here. When you don't want to go, then we have to make you go. You know?
You have to state the reason why
There
you are taking me
colleagues coming
out.
right now, and then you will
You're
leave.
not stating it right now.
Yes.
You're not saying
Yes, we
anything.
are.
You're not explaining
You broke
why.
the house rules.
Yeah, which
You are
house
too loud.
rules? Which house rules?
You are too loud. You have too many stuff.
I am too loud
Right here.
because
You're
you
very
come to me.
unfriendly.
You come to me. You are telling me that because I'm doing as usual with my bags, I have actually less bags right now. I have less bags, and because I have less bags, you're telling
Please
me that
take
I
your
need to
stuff.
move out.
Please take your stuff and go outside.
Ja, alles gut.
Ja, dann.
Kommen jetzt noch Kollegen von uns.
Ja.
Dann werden wir ihn wahrscheinlich zu Boden bringen.
I need to finish this then
Und
first.
dann
I need to
bringen wir ihn
finish
raus.
this then first.
Ja,
Wie gesagt,
das dauert halt jetzt ein bisschen, aber
Alles gut. Ja.
ist vielleicht für euch besser.
genau.
What's going on?
So you have to go outside. So you broke the rules and you have to go. So we say you why and I don't understand the problem why you don't go.
You didn't tell me why.
Will nicht.
Do I have 15 minutes?
No, I don't have
No.
50 minutes.
Okay, I need this written. I need this written. They want
No.
to kick me out. They need to give something.
The guys
that
have the
states
house
written.
right. When they say you want
Yeah,
not,
in-
you are
in the
inside,
house
it's the
right,
right
in
to
the
say
house
you have to
right.
go.
In the house right, it's mandatory to give the decision in a written manner.
Ja, Weltklasse. Recht schönen Dank. Deswegen brauchen wir jetzt auch gar nicht groß mit dem weiter drum. Der versteht halt nicht, was wir sagen, weißt du? Das ist
Ja,
halt
er
das
will's nicht
Problem.
verstehen.
Er will es nicht verstehen. Und dann ist es auch okay, dann fliegt er jetzt hier gleich raus.
I will understand what? That
Fine.
usually I have more bags
We
and now
tell
it's
you
problem.
why, and you don't want to understand this. I don't know.
Ja,
I'm
genau.
telling you the reason.
Yes,
The
but
reason,
we're telling you why you have to go, and
The
you don't want
reason-
to go.
Der Kollege
No.
beantwortet.
Ja,
the reason
Dankeschön.
is that I have supposedly too many bags.
No, it's not you have too many bags. It's you are too loud. You are very unfriendly.
I was not loud. You're telling me, hey, come
Ja,
on.
nein.
Someone is telling you have too many bags in the library. You have to go out. Why you had that many? You have many
Ich
more.
mach dann Bodycam an, ja. Wenn
Bags.
wir wirklich, wenn wir uns wollen, dann
So
What's
please
going
take
on?
your stuff.
auch
It's the
für
last
die,
time
ja,
I said,
mach
please
gleich,
take
wenn
your
wir
stuff
jetzt
and we have
mit
to
dem
go
wollen,
outside.
We have to go outside.
Yes, and this time,
Da mache ich die Bodycam an, dass
Now.
ich drauf mache, damit ich
This time now.
nicht, dass er am
Yes.
Ende noch irgendwas.
I had more bags the other days,
Genau,
like
darum-
for so long, and right now
Jetzt
this
kann
is
man
the
noch sagen,
problem.
dass er ein Arschloch ist, aber
Like, are you terrorist or what?
please take your stuff.
Aufpassen,
This
was
is
man
just
sagt.
bad.
And
Ja.
we go outside.
Why do you want to go outside? What's the tea?
You
Hat keinen Sinn.
nee.
Hat keinen Sinn.
You're not recording
You're broken.
the conversation?
Right now, not.
You're not recording
No.
the conversation.
No.
So
Not on this time.
it's supposed to be off the book then.
So
I
please
have
take
this.
your
I
stuff.
have this to finish. I have a work
No,
to do.
you don't
I have this to
listen.
finish.
You have to take your stuff and go outside.
And go outside. Why?
Do you have a passport or something like that? An ID?
Yes, I do. Why?
Do you want to show me?
No, I don't want to.
Okay. Nee, scheiß drauf. Lass uns jetzt nichts provozieren, wir sind gleich da. Dann, wir werden uns jetzt sowieso gleich mit dem wollen. 100%. Ich hab zwar keinen Bock zu, aber was sollen wir machen? Ich schwöre, was sollen wir machen?
Ja. So, ne?
Read me the rules. Read me the rules.
You broke the rules and then you have to go outside because when the security say you broke the rules, they can say, yo, you have to go outside.
Read
You
me the
don't
rules.
can take
26, 01, ne?
Genau.
ja, wir schriftlichen das auch auf jeden Fall.
Die kommen, ja, dass du Bescheid weißt.
Genau, und dann ihr kommt wahrscheinlich immer, ihr kommt wahrscheinlich immer noch einen Zettel stehen, wenn ihr wollt. Wenn ihr wollt, kann ich euch noch ein Meetingsblatt geben mit der Formel, mit der euch haben.
Schreibt das trotzdem jetzt auch nicht,
Ja,
wenn
ja,
jetzt
ja,
Radau
genau,
vergessen wird.
Ja.
Aber ne, wenn ich dann nochmal das Meetingsblatt ist, mal draufsteht. So, you have to take your stuff.
Warte kurz, dann können wir die noch einweisen. Also, um den man geht, spricht kein Deutsch, nur Englisch. Er versteht, was wir sagen, er möchte uns aber nicht verstehen im Sinne, was wir sagen. Weigert sich zu gehen, sagt die ganze Zeit, ja, ihr müsst mir die Hausregeln zeigen und erklären und was auch immer. Ja, und deswegen, also, wir kriegen ihn jetzt hier nicht ohne Widerstand raus, will er uns auch nicht geben. Er hat ein Passport dabei, möchte er uns auch nicht geben. Das heißt, wir müssen ihn jetzt irgendwie rauskriegen. Und dann, what's your name? Deutsch, Englisch?
So my name is Arno. What's happening is that usually I'm telling you the situation from my point of view. This is like a
It's
deposition.
komplett
All
unnecessary.
right? No. So usually
You are leaving now.
I'm not breaking the rules usually because they let me in.
You do.
All right, with more stuff actually, and I'm used to
So, ich
having
mach
lots
dann,
of
wenn wir uns
things to
jetzt mit dem
scan
Rollen
them.
mach ich Bodycammern, ja?
And what's going on right now is that all of a sudden I would have too many bags and I would need to go out.
Okay. Arno, just so you know,
usually
I'm
I
recording
don't have-
you right now.
Yeah, okay.
So,
Usually I don't have that many bags, and now please don't touch my bags.
go away from him. Otherwise,
Okay.
I'll bring you down to the floor. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So, Arno,
What's going on?
law in Germany is, if they let you in, it's okay. But if they say you are leaving now, you have to leave.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
I'm
you're
breaking
doing-
some house rules. I
Yeah,
need to see
if
the
you-
house rules. I'm
No.
asking you to read the house rules. You're
No.
not reading me the house rules.
We don't have to. If you enter the building, so you accept the rules of the house.
Yeah, what
And
are
if
the
you
house
don't-
rules?
Let me talk. So,
Yeah,
have-
what are the house rules? Tell them to me.
you can
and
have a
then-
look into it on the internet before you enter the building.
And the
If
security
you don't-
tell
House
you
rules.
the house rules.
What? How many? Like 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5.
Just for a person like you who refuses to leave the building.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Okay, I give you now one option. You can go. Otherwise, we bring you out, and then it hurts.
Because I have too
Yeah,
many bags.
yeah,
And then it hurts.
yeah,
Could hurt.
It could hurt.
yeah. Because we will use force against you.
Use force against me
Yeah.
for
If you
bags in the library.
if you don't leave the building, yeah, definitely.
Well, usually I have more bags.
Yeah. Okay.
All
So
right.
what now?
Can you leave me space?
No. You
I
go
need-
now.
Yeah. How do you want me to go if I cannot go here and you stay here? You need to leave me space so that I pack everything up.
No. You can
Okay,
pack
so-
it up and you don't need space. from
Okay,
us.
so can
You
I
can
go
pack it?
like this? It is okay
Yeah,
then?
you can pack your things and then you left.
Because apparently that was too much for me to be here close to your colleague. Are you alright? This is papers. Are you afraid of papers?
Hurry up, last chance.
Last chance what?
Last chance to leave the building.
Yeah. I am packing everything up slowly
Yeah,
so that
hurry
you
up.
don't feel
No,
threatened.
I don't slow up.
Because you're close to
My
me.
colleagues here for now 30 minutes and they give you multiple chances to leave the building.
Listen, I don't want
No,
to
I
threaten
don't
you.
listen.
You are
need
close to me.
leave.
You
Yeah,
are close to
and
me.
I come closer to you if you refuse it.
Yeah. Please don't escalate. Let everything happen slowly.
No, it's nothing slowly. You hurry up or we bring you out with your stuff.
Okay, if I go faster, progressively, you won't be scared. Okay. I go slowly, faster.
Machst du einfach ein bisschen schneller.
Yeah. Slowly, faster. All right. Okay, normal speed. Are you alright right now? You feel safe? You feel safe? That's okay?
Einfach ein bisschen schneller, weil ich bin ja schnell im Packen.
Schneller.
Ja.
I won't do faster than this because I need to pay minimum attention. Thank you
Kannst du
for
mit
giving
mir
me.
die Postkarte? Mein Gott. Machst du jetzt hin, weil ihr sagt, das pack ich.
What's going on?
Wenn du die Layers gibst, pack ich
Pack is what?
deine Sachen.
Yeah, what's going on with my
Wenn ich dein
stuff?
Fenster finde, dann sind die Sachen schneller unten als
With
du.
the window what?
Verstehst du ja ganz gut
that-
Deutsch.
Du verstehst doch ganz gut Deutsch, also du verstehst auch was erledigt.
Yeah, but in sensitive situation, I prefer to switch to English
Ja, es ist aber keine sensitive
because I need
Angelegenheit.
to understand everything.
Latein, aber nicht Bescheid.
Hey, I am leaving.
Don't
What are you
touch me.
doing?
Don't touch
If
me.
you touch me, ich pack schon mal
I
hier.
bring you
What
down
are
to
you
the floor.
doing?
I'm packing your things.
So, pack ein jetzt hier in deinen Schlüssel.
Yeah,
Nimm deine Scheiße hier und pack die ein.
yeah, I am. You're escalating the situation right now.
Eskaliere wirklich.
ja.
Okay, I need to take my computer. Thank you.
much.
Thank you for catching everything.